We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone network problems. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. iPhone network problems can be annoying as you're then unable to do certain things like make calls or send messages. So you've got some different fixes you can try. So to go and get started, you want to drag down from the top of your phone to open the control center. Try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds, and then you can go and turn it off again. You will then go and reconnect to the network and go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up your settings. Scroll down, find the option for mobile service, or maybe called cellular, and tap on it. Go down and find network selection and make sure this is switched to automatic. Then what you can do is come back, go and see if that solves the problem. The next thing we can try doing is performing a restart on the device. This will just go and refresh things. So what you can try doing is pressing the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep this held down. Shortly your phone screen will go black. When you see the Apple icon, release, and it will start again. When it starts again, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then try opening up your settings. And what you want to try doing is coming down to General, scroll to the bottom and find the option for transfer or reset and tap there. Then press reset, and what we can try doing is resetting the network settings. I need to enter in my passcode. You can then go and confirm your decision. This will go and reset all of them, including your Wi-Fi passwords as well, so they will need to be re-entered, amongst other things. But it may go and solve the problem, so it's worth doing. After you've done that, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then it's worth getting in contact with your carrier, as they may need to send you a replacement SIM or there's something else wrong. If you found this useful, then leave a like.